What kind of impact is this economy having on the housing market in the West Loop and Fulton Market areas of Chicago going into the month of November? If this is a question that you've had at all, or maybe for the first time right now, you are in luck because that is exactly what I'm about to answer. Hello, my name is Jake Lyons, realtor right here in Chicago with At Properties, founder of thechicagohomesource.com, bringing you well-informed, data-driven content as always. So let's go ahead and get right into what's going on in the West Loop heading into November. So the median sales price for all single-family homes in this area, so that includes townhouses, condos, and the very few houses that are around, was $417,500. This was down about 7% from what it was in September, but up about 8%, a little over 8% from the same month of a year before. So it's normal to have month-to-month fluctuations like that, especially as we're heading towards the end of the year where volatility can get even crazier and prices can also tend to get a little lower as there are fewer buyers in the market and that kind of thing. But either way, pretty healthy place, I think, right now. We'll see where things go. The median number of days that it took for a property to go under contract was 23. This was up from the month prior, which was at 17, and the year prior when it was at 21 days. So pretty consistent, kind of in that 3-week window of time that you have basically to make a decision on whether you want to put an offer in or not from a buyer's perspective at least, and about 3 weeks to wait if you're on the sell side. We're at 2.3 months supply, so that is firmly in seller's market territory. That's where the West Loop has been for quite some time now. Anything less than 3 is considered a market that favors sellers. Anything from 4 to 6 is neutral. 7 and up is a buyer's market. That's very much not where we are. We have 2.3 months worth of supply on the market given demand conditions right now. And no shocker to anyone, volume is down in this area year over year. 37% fewer listings in this month of October than there was in the prior year's October, and 43% fewer new contracts, new properties going under contract than there were same time a year ago. So while these things are coming down at roughly the same pace, we're not seeing, huge wild price fluctuations, at least not quite yet. There's significantly fewer participants in the market. So as to the real impact that we're seeing these interest rates and other economic forces having, inflation and whatnot, not in the prices yet, but in the overall just amount of stuff going on right now in the market. And that's my quick snippet of what's going on in the West Loop. Obviously, it can get way more complicated than that. I can, dig down into the nitty-gritties of what's going on in your building, your intersection, your number of bedroom count, your particular situation. But for the case of this video, we're just touching on the whole zip code and seeing what's going on, kind of a 10,000 foot overview basis of it. So if you have any more questions, please reach out. If you found this to be valuable, please like, subscribe, comments below. What do you think is going to happen in the West Loop going forward from a market standpoint? Do you think it's going to go up, going to go down? What do you think the outlook is? I'm curious to know. So go ahead and put that in the comments, and I hope to see you guys all again soon. Thanks.